Welcome back. It's Fifi777 and today's video is going to be a wig review. I was asked if I wanted to partner with this company called Tutu. It's an Amazon wig company and I said yes, of course. I would love to do that. Okay, I'm going to get right into it. Let me tell you about the wig before I get completely into the video. Okay, the wig is a 4x4 lace front short bob, Brazilian hair, human hair, and it is 130 density and it's 10 inches. Okay, it came in a Amazon package like this, and I didn't open up the package as of yet, but I'm gonna get right into it now. This company is called Tutu, and if I didn't say before, it's an Amazon company. Okay, so it comes in this little packaging, and let's see how I'm gonna open it. Okay, and it says, love your hair, show your beauty, high quality, unprocessed human hair. And this is the packaging. So let me get in here and see what's going on with this bob. Now, y'all know I usually like a longer hair, but I guess a bob wouldn't hurt. It's pretty easy. You know, it's one of those everyday units that you can put on, so I'm happy about that. I know it's not complicated. I just can't open this. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And this is the bob. And in the bag, it really didn't come with anything special in there. I think it's just some eyelashes. I'll show you that right now. They didn't send any extras in here, really. Except for these. Can you see them? They're cute. I think I'll wear them. But y'all know I like my magnetic lashes that I have on right now. Okay. This is the bob, y'all. You know, it looks pretty standard. Nothing has been done to it yet. Let's see, the parting space here. This is the front, and the parting space is maybe, I'd say about 5 inches. And it looks like may need some plucking in that part area. You can hardly see it. Y'all see that? Okay, so it comes with lace in the front, very little lace. So this is, I can already tell this is going to be easy. Inside the cap, this is the cap construction. Nothing complicated. There's a lot of space here though with the parting area. Okay, there is a comb on either side. So that's 2 combs, one at the top of the wig and one at the bottom of the wig. So that's 4 combs in the wig and the standard straps in the back to make your wig smaller. So I can see this is going to be a very easy, uncomplicated wig to wear. Yep. Doesn't look too thick, doesn't look too thin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something to the wig, you know, cut the lace off and try it on, and if I have to use the flat iron on it or anything like that, which it does look like I have to use the flat iron on it because it doesn't really have a shape to it right now. Okay, so I'll be back with the wig on and I'll give you all the specs and I'll tell you exactly what I did with the wig. Okay, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, I shall be back. Hey lovelies, I'm back with the wig on. This is how it looks. I didn't do much with the wig. I just cut off the lace and I did flat iron a little bit to give the wig some shape, but this is how it looks. I think it looks really cute. It's just a basic bob, and I may have just put a little bit too much curl on it. I just wanted it to be kind of just bumped, but I'm not a hairstylist or anything like that. But this is an everyday wig, I think, that you can just wear every day. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. It's human hair, so you can curl it, and you could dye it, and you could do anything with it that you would do with your hair. But it's so easy, it's so simple, and y'all know I like easy and simple. So this is kind of cute. This is cute for every day. Yes, I do like it. Okay, so that's it for the review. And if you have any questions, you can always ask questions. Just leave them, your questions, in the comment area, and I will answer any question that you have. Yes, the wig is big head friendly because this is kind of big on me because I have a small head. So, what do y'all think about it? It's just an everyday wig you can throw your hat on. You can go shopping, go get your groceries or whatever, and look great in this wig. And it feels really good too. And the thickness is wonderful. It's not too thick and not too thin. And it looks very natural. Anyway, ladies, I shall see you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for coming.